everyone. Today I would like to share with you how to replace the front brake pads for Audi Q7 2020 to 2020 Audi Q7. So put the front brake pad only. You probably have the sensor too. I have to replace the sensor too. I ordered the sensor, the new one anyway. New sensor, new parts. The parts I ordered, got it. The name is LPI. Not expensive one, but it's a good quality. Here's the part number over here. You can see that. Okay, so let's do it together. Okay, first time take the wheel out. So just the parts only, no rotor. Okay, take two racket over here, two ball 21 socket. And take it out and put the parts on, that's it. Okay, but let's do it together. Okay, before you take the wheel out, jack it up, take the wheel out. Make sure you put the jack stand for safety. Put underneath. Just in case it's falling down, right? You never know. Okay, let me turn the light on. Right here, it's two bolts in the back of the racket caliper is 21 socket. Okay, I'm gonna use the impact to make it faster. Okay, a little bit noise, but I have to do it. Okay, before you do that, I recommend you take the sensor out. If you want to save the sensor, if for me, I replace the sensor anyway. I don't care. Right? Okay, this sensor over here, move over here. Okay, this sensor right here, I show you that why. You want a sensor, brake sensor. Okay, they want to put a sensor, they want a harness. See the click? Just use small screwdriver, bend out a little bit and turn over and take it out. That's it. Okay? Easy. I have the clip on the other side, but okay, turn over. Okay, turn on the right side. Okay, so now we take it out. Take it completely out. I want to show you close. Yeah. Let's zoom out. Now I take the harness completely out. So now use screwdriver, bend over, take it out. That's it. That's it. Take the sensor out. You can save the sensor, it's up to you, but for me I'm going to replace a new sensor. Depends on the sensor how it looks like. Yeah, very much the same sensor anyway. It's not expensive sensor. Okay, so now I'm going to take two bolts in the back. 21 socket. One bowl, another bowl, take the middle. Screwdriver. Okay, like this. After this, the pop down. the sensor like this. You can save the sensor. Use screwdriver, bend over. Okay. I'm going to put a new sensor anyway. So now you put the new brake pads on first. Oh. Don't worry. Put the anti-seize on. Okay, put this side like this. Put the pads on. Only one way. They don't put like this. The wrong side. This way only. Slide it. Take the back over here, you can see that. Put your finger over here. See on the top one. And you one of that. Okay. Here. Okay. And the back on that. Okay. Okay, that's it. Let's go in. Now, what we have to do, push the caliper back now. A little loud, a little bit right here. So now we use this one to push the caliper back. A little bit too hard time, but it's still better. Put this one back, more easier. Okay, so before you put the parts on, you make sure you put the part right situation. Like example like this, the sensor right over here. So what you have to do, you have to find out the part square the situation. You put like this, the sensor at the bottom, not the right. You have to put like this. See the part? This one the sensor. You have to go to the bottom. Okay, make sure this one on the bottom. So inside the, here I'm going to give you a caliper example. Okay, they go like this. Get inside the bottom. You want to go inside. It's supposed to be. Okay, put it down like this and brush it down. Push it down. Okay, push it down. Push it down. Push it. That's it. Easy. Okay. It's on the same. Okay, put this one anti-seize, leave it on the top. Make it move easy. Here. Same. Put over here. Like this. Brush it down and push it. That's it. Push. Push it down. push it down, push, that's it, easy. Okay, now turn over like this. Put the sensor on first before you install this sensor. This one, they go to the roller. See this face? Go to the roller, inside the roller, inside the pass. Okay, put this sensor on first. Use this screwdriver to put on. Sensor not expensive, better replace it. And that's it. And that's it. So now we can install it. Put the sensor everything new already. I should have put it back now. Perfect. Now we'll put the sensor in. Following like this. Okay. So let's come over here. Over here. This one. Ah, yeah. Okay, now we plug in fork. I don't know if you can see that. It's hard to see that. Plug in. Let me zoom in. Okay, let me try to do my hand underneath. Yeah. Okay. My hand over here put together. Okay, now we put in. It's slide like this. Slide it. Okay, and turn over. Yeah. Slide like this. Hard to see that. Okay, that's it. Okay, now. Okay, everyone, it's really done. So very easy to replace the front brake parts for the 2020 Audi Q7. So very much similar. So you only replace the parts. You don't need to take the roller out. Just take the whole caliper out and clean a little bit and put the part together, and that's it. Okay, thank you very much for you watching my video. See you in next video. Ciao.